Okay, so in this video we are going to install checkpoint firewall on eve-ng. Okay, first thing first, let's go to my eve-ng. It's open and my IP address is if I say ifconfig pnet 0, so my IP is 192.168.114.128. so I already type in the browser 192.168.114.128. Next thing, I need any FTP utility or software so I can upload the image. So let's go to WinSCP and let me open the same IP 128. So I already saved. Choose file protocol SFTP, hostname 128. This is the port number, root and password I keep the same, Eve. So login this one. So it login me here, opt unitlab adds on key me u. I need to come here, by the way. If it is park you here, by the way, maybe here. So you need to click on unitlab adds on key me u. This is the location. Next thing, I need the image. So in previous class and VMware one, I already told you, you can download this image easily. Here is checkpoint R80.40 and this is ISO image. Okay, we need to convert them. This is what we want to do. So next thing, what I need to do, I need to create a folder, and that folder with the name. So let's go. This side is my location, my local machine, and this one is remote location, which is eve-ng. Okay, so I'm already here in opt unitlab adds on keymu. I already told you you need to go there. So I'm already here. And next thing, this is the folder name. Folder name is cpsg, checkpoint security gateway dash R80 can be anything, but the first digit has to be the same. So let me put the same, and you need to put the permission 777 and click OK. So this folder is created. Now what I need to do, the ISO image which I download, you can easily download. You need to copy this one. So let's go to my download, and here is checkpoint and ISO. So just copy this one. And by the way, let me show you how we can download this one. So I already show you in previous lecture, and this one you can download from this location easily. This is the location from where you can download this image. Go down and there is download security gateway standalone security management, clean install. It will open a new page, and go down either from here. When you click on this one, either this one, so it will download this checkpoint firewall, checkpoint, the same version I'm using. So let me cancel this one. This is the way how you can download this image. You can use them in VMware and you can use them in Eve as well. And this is what I want to do. Okay, so next thing, what I need to do, when I copy this one, next I need to rename this one to CD-ROM. So let me copy CD-ROM. So when I copy, I can easily rename them graphically. You can rename through CLI as well, but no need. If you can do it graphically, so why not just rename this check underscore point underscore R80.40 underscore T294.ISO to CD-ROM. Okay, so just wait a minute. When it's copy, then I will rename them to CD-ROM. After CD-ROM, I need to create a hard drive. Okay, I need to create 80 GB hard drive, but first I need to go to the same folder, this one. So why not let open putty. Putty is easy to copy paste. So my Eve IP is 114.128. This is the Eve IP to access through putty, and open. Username is root, password is Eve. Okay, and Control L to clear the screen. So now I access my eve-ng through putty easily. Okay, where I can copy paste the command rather than to use this console. Here is difficult. You need to go to edit and paste. So it's difficult rather than here. Okay, so what I need to do, first I need to go to the same folder, but before that I need to rename this file. So let them copy. It's almost done. And now right click here, rename, and paste the command, the name, which is cd-rom. Done. Now go to putty, and cd means change directory. Go to opt, and tab you can easily go. Unit lab, then adds on, then QEMU, then cpsg, and ls. Ls means to show you. So here is cd-rom.iso. So I'm here now. You need to come here. Keep in mind this is the important point. And next, what you can do now, you can create a hard drive. This is the command to create a new file 80 GB with HDA QCOW2. So let's go there and paste this one and enter. So if we go back and refresh here, so you may see HDA QCOW2, another file with 194 KB. It's okay. Done. So up to this point we are done. Next, now we need to go to nodes and checkpoint security gateway. This is the checkpoint we install. Increase the RAM to 8 GB, 8192. Okay, change the port. Yeah, we have Ethernet 4 port. It's okay. And change the console. First time, by the way, VNC. Later on you can use telnet and save. So my checkpoint is ready, and now I need a cloud to connect. So go to management cloud, and here I need to connect to first interface because there are 4 interfaces. Okay, and now start the checkpoint. Click on this one, and let's see. This is the normal installation which we done. So let's stop again. Sometime it is, so you can start again. Okay, and let's see. Yeah, and now let's check out. So choose the first one, install Gaia on this system. Okay, so we drag this one, we change to the VNC console, then I connect my cloud, then I choose install Gaia on this system. The normal installation first time. You don't need to do this again and again. This is the only one-time job. Now I need to click OK, which will come. Okay, so it will show a bit later. And after OK, you need to choose the keyboard. So I will use US keyboard. Then it will ask partition configuration. So I can use the default one. So let's go back. Yeah, still is coming. Then it will ask the admin password. So I will set admin @12345. Okay, in 2 times. Then it will ask management port. So I will choose the first one because we have 4 interfaces. Okay, and then it will ask the management IP. So management IP, because I connect this cloud, so I will use my management cloud IP, this one. In your case, you can choose a different IP. Okay, and what else? Then it will ask the confirmation. We just need to click OK. Then it will copy the files, and later on it will ask to reboot. And up to this point we are done. This is the first time configuration which we need, and then we will say use this image up to this point. So when next time you drag them, so it will start straight away, okay, from this point. So this is what we need. Okay, and then we will use this one to make them up to this point. Okay, these are few commands I will show you later on. So let's go back. Yeah, so what we need to do, we need to click OK, US keyboard, tab OK. Then the system information, disk formation is okay. Admin password is admin @12345 and admin @12345. Click OK. Now it will ask the interface. So the first interface we are going for management. So click OK. And the IP address I want to use 114.50 and gateway is 2 in my case. In your case you can set any IP, and you can use DHCP as well. So click OK, then click OK. Now it will copy the files, and when they copy the files here, then it will ask to reboot 192.168.114.50, which we set up this IP. Okay, and that time I'm done with this one. Okay, I don't need to set the rest of the configuration. Up to this point it's okay, it's configured for me. So when it's done, then I will I need this 0 means the admin, and this the device ID, and this the we will see from here. This is our lab configuration. Okay, not from here. And where is, when it's done I will show you. By the way, I just need to see a lab detail, this one, so I can get this long number from here, this ID. So this ID I will need anyway. Let's them copy the file, then I will show you what you need to do next. Okay, so it's almost done. Let's copy the file. Yeah, so it will show you this the IP address to access this firewall to complete the first time configuration, but I don't want to do the first time configuration because whenever I drag a new firewall, so I need to do the first time configuration. So up to this point I need, so what I can do, I click reboot and I don't need rest of the configuration. Okay, so when I reboot I need up to this point. You can do it first time configuration as well if you want, but I don't want to do it rest of the configuration. Okay, so this up to this point I want to keep this firewall. Okay, so what I need to do, let them start, and then I need cd to go to this place. What is this 0? This 0 means the admin detail. So the admin detail I can find out from here. Close lab. Okay, and go to admin. Go to admin, we need this pod, so this is 0 by default, so we already have 0, so let me go to 0, so we have 0, this one, so cancel. Next thing what I need to do, I need to open this again. Let me open the same. Okay, next thing what you need to do, this long number. This long number you can easily from here click on lab detail and this the ID. So click this ID and let's choose, paste them here. So this is the format. First you need to go to this place. So let me copy this one. After this, what I need to type, I need to type the user which is login to Eve. So his ID is 0. So I type 0 and this one. Then this long number, I told you from where you can get this number. So let me paste here. This two thing I told you from where you can get. Next thing, the device ID, this one, the last one. You can get this device ID clicking by this one, and here is CPS1. So let's type 1. That's why I type here 1 and then another /. So you get from here, we can get these are already there. This the location. 0 is the admin ID. This the long ID for this lab, and then 1 is the device ID. It has to be like this, otherwise it will not work. So let's go to CD. Here is different, by the way. SBF, because I done that lab differently and now it's different. So that's why I show you. So now let's go there and paste this one. Okay, so now I'm here. So when you are here, now what you need to do, you need to commit the changes. Commit the changes, whatever you done up to this point in this firewall, it will be committed on this point, which I told you I want to commit up to this point. You know, the firewall. So when first time you drag them, it will be ready up to this point, and this is called commit, and this is what I want to do. So copy this command and go to this location, this one, and paste and enter. Okay, by the way, we don't need this firewall, you can shut down as well, but it's okay. So it will take time, and if we go back and refresh, you see this file will increase now. This HDA It's copying from here to here. You see, it's almost done. It's 4 GB has to be done. So let's see, it's going to done. It means whatever I done with this CD-ROM file, it has to be transferred to HDA up to this point, whatever we done. So we done up to initial configuration stage up to this point, and it will be done. So now let's see, refresh, because it will take some time. So it's increasing. Okay, and it's still increasing, and yeah, it's almost done. So it say that the image committed done. It's almost 8 GB. Yeah, so we are done now. And next step, what we done to do, we need to remove CD-ROM, because we don't need whatever we done with CD-ROM has been transferred here. So what you can do, you can go to this location and remove either in graphically. So let me go to this location. From CLI is easy, and if I say ls, so CD-ROM is there. This is the command rm to remove, and F forcefully, and copy this one and paste. And now if I ls, so there is only HDA file. So if I go back and refresh, so there is HDA file only. That's it. And the last command, you need to apply fix permission command. No need, but if you want, if I have previous fix command, so let me see if I have fix command. Whenever you do changes, so it's better to apply this fix command. By the way, let me see up arrow if I have, otherwise I need to search. And yeah, this one. So I say opt unit lab, this is the fix command. That's it. And now our lab and our firewall is ready. Okay, so let's stop this one. I don't need any more. And whenever you need a new firewall, go to node and checkpoint. This is the checkpoint. Now you can use less RAM as well, but anyway, I make them 8 GB. And now I can use console telnet as well. Drag and just connect. And when you connect them to first interface, because the first interface we configure, and start. And now you think how it will start from scratch? No, it will start straight away to configure them. Starting, and whenever you need another one, you can drag another one as well. Checkpoint and this one, and change the RAM to 8 GB and keep the console telnet. Now it's okay. And now you can connect this one as well, but the IP address will be the same. Keep in mind which we set up. You can change the IP, but if you want, so it will be the same, and also the username and password which we set up. So let me connect a new one as well, just to show you. Okay, and let's click on this one. It's where it's reaching. So it's booting from hard drive, and it's boot. So you need to type IP 192.168.114.50 to access them. Okay, so let's see, and let's start the other one as well, just to show you that from which point it will start. Okay, so let's see this one. Yeah, it will take some more time to reboot first time, so let's wait for a while. Keep in mind the IP address, which is 192.168.114, and I believe we set 50. So the IP address will be this 150 every time. You can change them, and also the username will be admin, and password is admin@12345. These are the detail. Each and every time you need to use this one. So let's see if it is started. Let me close this one and let's go back. Yeah, it's still taking time to restart. And let's go to this one as well. So this one also take a time. We need to do this one as well, come first. So let's see. Okay, starting the system, and when this come up, then we can type the IP address 192.168.114.50 to access this firewall first time. Okay, so let's wait for a while. Okay, so it's come up. We start to firewall. So admin and password is admin at 12345. That's it. And now I can access this firewall first time. So let me go to https and 192.168.114.50. Okay, and you can see I can access this firewall admin and admin at 12345. And now you need to configure them all this, because we never save this one. We save the setting up to this point. So every time when you drag a firewall, you need to follow these steps to configure them first time. You can, if you want, you can go next, and you can save this setting as well, but I save up to this point. And this is another, and you can drag this way and it will work straight away. Okay, it will work straight away, and it will ask you to put the username and password which we set up. Yeah, like admin and admin at 12345. Again similar IP, and again you need to do 192.168.114.50 and admin. Stop, and let me stop this. So this is the way how we can configure checkpoint firewall first time in EVE-NG. By the way, you don't need to do this one. If you get this ready-made image like this which I configure, you drag them and use them. Okay, but this the first time. If you want to do from scratch how to do it, so this how you can do it.